Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today, we're looking at the Very Good Food Company. Now, they just came out with results, with earnings. I've reviewed this before, so here we go again. Looks like the results now revenue has increased 364% to $4.6 million compared to the prior year. That is a huge return. They just went almost 4x, 3.5x of their revenue. That's crazy. Okay, the profit increased 32%. That's awesome. Significant increase in production capacity. They're in Vancouver, British Columbia. All right. So that's the thing. Plant-based is exploding everywhere, not just in America. It's in Canada. It's all over the world. Maybe some in not the third world countries, but people are spooling up on it. So just take a look. Look, we demonstrated an 800% increase on online orders. That's crazy. Once they get into retail and distribution in grocery stores, it's going to be nuts. This stock is going to the moon. All right, look at this. There's production capacity increased by 2,600%. Okay, this is like early days of Amazon or something. This is crazy. That's just insane. All right, guys. So, I've been doing Beyond Meat for a long time. I've been doing all these plant-based diets. I've been doing this for a while, and it's very effective. I can see why these guys are blowing up. If it's a good product, I've not actually had it before. I don't know if you can get it here, but it seems like a good company, right? You guys know I'm into Tattooed Chef as well, although there's a lot of dairy in Tattooed Chef, which I'm not super fond of. But it is plant-based mostly, so it's pretty good. All right, look at the adjusted gross profit, 37% of revenue. So their margins are insane. That's pretty awesome. They're increasing. They must be getting more efficient. E-commerce and wholesale. Orders are going through the roof. All right, guys. So I think the Very Good Pepperoni and Very Good Dog quickly becoming fan favorites. Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, because the Tattooed Chef Pepperoni, outstanding. If they just did a meat, that'd be super cool. Because I like Beyond Meat, Impossible Burger, Impossible Meat. So overall, really good news. So on this good news, I'm buying more. It looks like their stock today is just up 23 cents, which is pretty good for this stock. All right, so I'm buying more. I'm going heavy now. I'm gonna buy. I got plenty of cash on hand, so I'm gonna go 1,000 shares. I'm gonna buy a limit order, limit price of 4.25. It's a little skewed to one side. Term, good for day. Preview. All right, $4,200. Place order. Order's been placed. Now let's see if we have the stock. Not yet. Let's look at the open orders executed. Let's look at open orders. Didn't go through. They're not being very nice to me today. Must be because it's see the estimated commission. It's still over the counter. One of these days they're probably going to get listed. There we go. You can see my portfolio, 1,100 shares. All right, guys. Let me know what you guys think of this company. It's pretty good. I'm going in on it. Bought my first tranche at 426. So I bought 100 shares just to see if I liked the company. Did research, did my due diligence, and I was like, yeah, I'm in. And when the report of earnings came out, I was like, holy Toledo. Let me get in now before the price explodes. All these hedge funds pick it up. Because typically hedge funds can't do over-the-counter stocks. So once these guys get listed, they go above $5, $10. They're not it goes above $5, it's not a penny stock anymore. If it goes above $10, hedge funds can start getting in those guys. So it's going to be good. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Please subscribe to my videos for more updates and more stock finds and stock picks, daily options trade, and crypto news. And smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks guys. Talk to you later.